Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use a dark circle roller effectively. These handy tools are designed to gently massage the delicate skin around your eyes, helping to reduce puffiness and improve blood flow. With just a few simple steps, you can incorporate this into your daily routine and work towards a brighter, more refreshed appearance. Let's get started with the proper preparation. Before you begin, ensure your face is clean and free of makeup. Next, apply a pea-sized amount of your favorite eye cream or serum to your under-eye area. This helps the roller glide smoothly and enhances product absorption. Now, with light pressure, roll the tool from the inner corner of your eye, moving outwards towards your temples. Repeat this motion several times for each eye. The key to effective use is gentle, consistent pressure. Remember, the skin around your eyes is very delicate, so avoid pulling or tugging. Roll in small, upward and outward strokes, following the natural curve of your orbital bone. Aim for about 5 to 10 passes per eye. This technique helps to encourage lymphatic drainage and reduce fluid retention, contributing to a smoother look. For optimal results, incorporate your dark circle roller into your routine once or twice a day, perhaps in the morning and evening. After each use, it's important to clean the roller head with mild soap and warm water to maintain hygiene. Allow it to air dry completely before storing. Some people even like to keep their roller in the refrigerator for an extra cooling and depuffing effect. Enjoy your refreshed look.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.